This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 11 of rate conversions. And in example 10, we did a problem where we were given that the car's rate was 60 miles per hour, and then we found out how many meters it was traveling per second. And I thought it would be kind of fun to see how many feet it was traveling per second. So let's see, we've got 60 miles per hour, 60 miles per 1 hour. All right, so I want to change that to feet per second. All right, so I need to do some conversions here. Now, hopefully you know that there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. That makes this a little bit easier. And if not, you can do that in 2 steps by saying, first of all, 1 hour is 60 minutes and 60 minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. But this simplifies things if you use this conversion. All right, so you've got 3,600 seconds is the same as 1 hour. Oops, I want the hours to cancel. So I've got to do it the other way around. So we've got 1 hour is the same as 3,600 seconds. Be careful, you don't want hours in the denominator twice. So the hours cancel. So I've got, so far, miles per second, but I want to get that in feet. So we have to know the conversion for feet to miles, and we want the miles to cancel, so 1 mile can go in the denominator, and I can go directly to feet. That's 5,280 feet. And then our miles cancel. And our final answer here will have feet in the numerator and seconds in the denominator, which is what we wanted. Wanted feet per second. Okay, I'm going to just, so now you can put that in the calculator, 60 times 5280 and divide by 3600. Instead of putting that in, I'm just going to do a little bit of canceling. This is like dividing by 100, and that'll cancel out that 10 and that 10. That's like dividing by 10, dividing by 10. All right, so I'm going to put in my calculator 6 times 528 divided by 36, and we should both get exactly the same thing. And let's see, I got 88 feet per second. So you know what? I didn't even have to round. It was exactly 88 feet per second. So it's going pretty fast. In 1 second, a car is going 88 feet. That's why you got to be careful where you're driving 60 miles an hour, not on a residential road where kids could run out. Okay, let me go over just a slight difference in how you could have done this if you didn't know that 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. You could have started out the same thing way here, but instead of writing 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds, you could have first said that 1 hour is the same thing as 60 minutes, and then written 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds, and then still done this 5,280 feet is the same as 1 mile. I'll just write the MI since I was using that abbreviation. And so just notice you end up with the same numbers at the top, 60, 5,280, 60 times 60 is the same thing as this 3,600. See how these minutes cancel out? Notice what you have here is 1 hour in the numerator, and then you've got 60 times 60 seconds. That's what this is, 1 hour over 3,600 seconds. And so you can see how that cancels and how that cancels, and you end up with exactly the same answer. 4 fractions instead of 3 gets you the same spot. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.